Alright, so I had this issue a couple times where I would connect a sync and it would say the music's playing, but there would be no sound. Same thing if I used a USB cord. I tried doing the master reset. That didn't work. So one thing just worked for me is you go to your excellently placed Ford battery, you take off the negative and just connect it, and that should reset it. It worked for me. It's a lot of work just to fix a simple Bluetooth connection error, but I guess that's what I get for buying this car. Yeah.